true.
I'm going to be watching you.
Watch me. If I want you to go, I'll shake my head like this. If I want you to go a lot, I'll go like this. You won't have to go more than 20 feet tops. But if I don't do anything, or if you're kind of not sure, don't do anything, because I'll exaggerate my move.
Okay. You need a wedge?
No. Hang on. Alright, pull up a little bit. 33 feet. Hold that. Alright, go. You go a couple more feet. Nice, turn it off. Good job.
Wow, right. Good gracious.
What happened?
Can I back up? I can't get out.
You can back up, yeah.
Did it go as planned?
Right where I wanted it. Hey, back up some more. We'll pull it off the.
Watch his camera.
Yeah, he knows.
Wow.
I'm gonna have to pull that way down your lane if you can.
I can do that.
Get yourself aimed that way. I'll watch you.
Let me
Come on
take
back.
Take my camera out of the way first.